Assalamu alaikum. If you wake up every morning with dryness or burning in your eyes, this video is for you. Many people think that weakening eyesight with age simply cannot be reversed, but that thinking is completely wrong. Today I am going to share a truth that is often hidden from the public. Our eyes are the most overworked part of our body, yet we take the least care of them. Did you know that? While you sleep carefully at night, your eyes are busy doing a massive repair job. If they do not receive the right nutrition during those hours, the cells that help you see clearly begin to fade away slowly. In this video, I will explain how certain fruits can help restore your vision without any expensive medication. Today, I will cover 7 fruits that scientific research confirms protect your eyes while you sleep. One of these fruits can even clear the lens of your eye naturally. So let us get started. Fruit number 1, papaya. First, let's talk about papaya, which is easily available everywhere and whose benefits for eyes are truly remarkable. Papaya works as a master repairer for your eyes. A process called glycation happens inside our eyes where blood sugar combines with eye protein and makes the lenses cloudy, increasing the risk of cataracts. Papaya contains a special enzyme called papain that helps stop this clouding process. It is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which strengthen the retina. When you eat papaya before bed, its nutrients spend the whole night repairing cells that became tired from sunlight and screen exposure during the day. Research shows that people who eat papaya regularly maintain eye moisture and avoid dry eye problem. Eat it at room temperature because cold papaya loses its enzyme power. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice on it and the vitamin C will help your body absorb the vitamin A 10 times more effectively. Fruit number 2, watermelon. Second is watermelon. Did you know that it actually opens up the blood vessels in your eyes? If you experience blurry vision after waking up, one major reason could be poor blood flow to your eyes. Watermelon contains a powerful antioxidant called lycopene that protects retinal cells from breaking down. It also increases nitric oxide in the body, which helps blood vessels widen. When vessels open up, more oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes while you sleep. This sharpens your vision and reduces the risk of cataracts. Never add salt to watermelon because salt increases pressure inside the eyes, which harms vision. Also eat the white part near the rind as it carries useful nutrients. This fruit gives your eyes the hydration they need overnight so you wake up with clear, fresh vision. Fruit number 3, kiwi. Third is kiwi, a small fruit with a very big trier inside. Think of kiwi as a natural filter for your eyes. Our eyes face harmful blue light constantly from mobile screens and sunlight. Kiwi contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two nutrients that sit like a protective shield on your retina, absorbing harmful light and stretching your vision. Research also shows kiwi improves sleep quality because it contains serotonin, and deep sleep is when real eye repair takes place. People who eat 2 kiwis daily have shown clear improvement in visual sharpness. Peel it very thinly and eat it with the skin after washing because most antioxidants are found just beneath the skin. Fruit number 4, apricot. Fourth is apricot, a precious gift from our mountain regions. Apricot is packed with beta carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A, improving the ability to see in dim light and at night. If you struggle to drive at night or see clearly in low light, apricot is an excellent choice. Its vitamin E and zinc protect the delicate part of the eye that converts light into signals. Apricot also strengthens the optic nerve that connects the eye to the brain. You can eat fresh or dried apricots, but dried apricots have a higher concentration of nutrients. Eating 2 to 3 apricots before bed can give your eyes the brightness you have been hoping for. Fruit number 5, goji berries. Fifth are goji berries, called a superfood today and used for thousands of years in Eastern medicine as an eye treatment. Their biggest benefit is stopping macular thinning. The macula is the central part of the retina that helps us recognize face and read fine details. With age, this area weakens, but zeaxanthin in goji berries helps rebuild its strength. Studies confirm that people who eat goji berries regularly for 90 days develop a stronger protective layer in their eyes. Soak them in warm water to soften before eating. Eating them with a little dark chocolate helps their nutrients absorb into the body more effectively. Fruit number 6, blueberries. Sixth are blueberries. Blueberries are called the DNA protector of the eyes. They contain a compound called pterostilbene that reaches directly into sensitive eye cells and repair them. With the heavy mobile and computer use today, our eyes become extremely tired. Blueberries show almost magical results in improving this tiredness. Never eat blueberries with milk or yogurt for this purpose because milk proteins destroy their eye benefits. Always eat them alone or with a few walnuts. Blueberries also clean the tiny blood vessels in your eyes that keep your vision clear. Make them a regular part of your diet to protect your vision from digital age damage. Number 7, blackcurrants. Seventh and the final are blackcurrants, considered the best fruit for night vision. They contain very high amount of anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and irritation in the eyes. Blackcurrants help rebuild a pigment called rhodopsin inside the eye that enables us to see in the dark. If you see halos around the lights at night, blackcurrants are a true blessing for you. They improve blood flow in the optic nerve, reducing risk of glaucoma. Always eat them with a healthy fat like almonds or walnuts so their nutrient absorb properly. Final word. These fruits are powerful on their own, but to get their full benefit, follow these 5 rules. First, never consume milk or yogurt immediately after eating fruits because calcium reduces antioxidants effectiveness by up to 30%. Second, always eat a small amount of healthy fats like walnuts or almonds with these fruits because eye nutrients are only absorbed in the presence of fat. Third, wash fruits gently to keep the protective layer on the skin intact. Fourth, do not eat fruit straight from the fridge. Let it sit outside for a while so its enzymes become active. Fifth and most important, eat these fruits 1 to 1.5 an hour before sleeping so your body digests them properly and eye repair begins while you sleep. Follow these rules and you will notice clear difference in your vision within just a few days. Our eyes are a priceless gift of nature, and protecting them is our own responsibility. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.